Hello YouTube. Today I am going to teach you how to make a waterfall and create a cart ride. You're going to want to start by placing a part down, then even it out with the surface of the area you want to place it on. Just a reminder that it can be any size you want it to be. Place another part down and make it blue. Doesn't matter what blue, just make it blue. Even it out on the block you just made. Make the blue block even out on both sides of the waterfall. Copy and paste the blue block, then move it to the front of the waterfall. Make sure to even it out so it looks like it's connected. Copy and paste the top blue block and place it on the bottom of the waterfall. It doesn't have to be this long, it's just an example. Place a part down and make it a circle. Make it a decent size so it will fit plenty of them, not too big or too small. Make the transparency 0.3 so it looks more realistic. Place the ball on the side of the waterfall. Make sure to push the ball a little farther into the waterfall. Make the ball completely white to make it look more realistic. Copy and paste the ball and place it next to the first ball. Do this as many times as you need until it reaches the other side. Copy and paste the gray block and even it out with the bottom blue block. Copy and paste that and put it on the other side. And there ya have it, a waterfall. Reminder that it doesn't have to be this big or this color. You can change it or add things to it however you want. Thanks for watching and please comment what to make if you want me to continue making these.